How to assemble your Gemini. Attach the bars to the tray using 4 of the smallest knobs. Insert the tray into the plotter plate. Secure the tray onto the plotter plate using the remaining black knobs. Place the plotter onto the plotter plate, ensuring all 4 feet are inside the holes. Place the feeder onto the plotter plate, ensuring the feet are inside the mounting holes. Check your installation by moving the feeder. If it is correct, the entire unit will move. Plug in the power supply and the dongle. Connect your plotter to the feeder. Plug in the plotter's power supply. Turn on the plotter. Press number 2 on the plotter's control panel. Load the media and adjust the magnets. Your Gemini is ready to work.